Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this and they're saying their toolbox icons are real small. And I really think it's because they updated Windows and on one of their machines it looks good, on the laptop it doesn't. And if you look at mine, they're quite a bit larger, but this is a smaller picture. But one thing I don't understand here is this is small and you can't really change that. You could, bring it out and make it bigger, but not really making it too much bigger. So the only suggestion I've got for him right now would be to anywhere up here in this gray area, just right click and go customize default size buttons. And I'm going to put mine to medium. And you can see how much bigger they are now. Now looking at his, so the only problem with this is sometimes you're going to run out of space. And right now, if I'm looking at him, he has the connector tool. I don't ever use the connector tool. So what you can do, if you run out of room, go right here, and as long as the top one is checked, they're going to be live. But if we go down here to the connector tool, you see I have these two highlighted, but I've got that turned off. If I turn that on, I get the connector tool. I don't need the connector tool. I've never used it. So you can take away effects that you don't need. I use everything else on there. I do not, here's one. I did not use the outline tool on here. When I want the outline tool, I just hit F12 and I get the outline tool. And this is where you can set your outline tool. So I hope that resolved this problem. You can see how small they are compared to mine. So to go back, just right click, customize default, and I'm going to put mine back to small because that's what I'm used to. Now, when you've done that, go to tools and save as default. And then that way it'll save it at that size. I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.